Hello everyone, welcome back to Alice's Kitchen. We are about to have some fun making a no-bake cheesecake. That's delicious. This has been requested by so many people and it's school holidays over here and my son has been nagging me for one. So without wasting much time, let's get into it and let's have fun. 260 grams Mcvitie's crackers, 70 grams packed brown sugar, 115 grams melted butter. You crush your crackers into fine crumbs. I use the NutriBullet to do that. Once you've got your fine crumbs, you add your sugar and melted butter and you mix together so you can have your crust. And when your crust is ready, you're going to put it in the freezer for 10 to 20 minutes whilst you work on your filling. I'm going to be using a 9-inch springform tin. So now I add my crust in there and I'm going to pack it tightly. I'm using a measuring cup. Press it tightly so that your crust is nice. And now we are going to put it in the freezer working on our filling. We've got 300 ml whipping cream that's cold. 680 grams full-fat cream cheese at room temperature, 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. We've got 100 grams of caster sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons lemon juice, and 60 ml of sour cream. So you start off by whipping your whipping cream until medium peaks form. So that will take about 2 to 3 minutes depending on your mixer. You just want to watch it. In a separate bowl, now you add your cream cheese and sugar. You whip that together until it's smooth. Just scrape the sides and the bottom before adding the next thing. So now we add our sour cream. We add our icing sugar. Vanilla essence. Lemon juice. And you just whip it for a further 2 to 3 minutes. Now that's ready and we are going to combine that with the other mixture that we whipped, which is the cream. And you just want to fold in until everything is combined. So that's our cream. Make sure you fold it in lightly so you maintain the structure. That's our smooth filling ready. I'm just going to show you our crust. It's just come out of the freezer. As you can see, it's nice and tight. We'll add that to our crust that has come out of the freezer. You just make sure that the top is smooth once you've added everything. So you smooth the top nicely. And I'm also just going to use my spatula. There we go. Just making it smooth. Now we'll cover it tightly. With foil before we put it in the fridge, and it's going to be in the fridge for a minimum of 8 hours. I've made mine at night, so I'm just gonna leave it overnight whilst I sleep. So that's covered tightly and ready to go into the fridge overnight. And and I will see it in the morning. Now my cheesecake has set. I am just going to release the sides. You just need to be careful, so just release and then use a sharp knife or something to just run the sides. So you release them from the tin and you just do that gently. There we go. It's a bit tricky, so I have to be gentle. There we go, we've got it. And I'm just going to top it with some whipped cream that I've just whipped this morning. You can leave it plain, it's good to go, but I just wanted to decorate mine to make it look nice. So you serve it with toppings of your choice. I just have some fruits that I am going to add, and now we cut. Make sure you use a sharp knife. I used the wrong knife to cut, and it's not very good as you can see, but use a sharp knife for cutting. I'm just adding some blueberries, a peach, and I am drizzling with some strawberry syrup, and I can't wait to just taste it. It looks yummy. You've got your cheesecake there, no bake, delicious.